Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths revision class. In today's class we will start with the formulas, okay, which you have already completed in your mensuration chapter, and then I will give you a link through which you will solve the revision paper. So let's start with the formulas children. So first of all we were having square and rectangle, and we have to find the area and perimeter of it. So how to find it children? So let's see it. If you are having a rectangle, like this, it's a parallelogram whose all angles are equal. It's a parallelogram whose all angles are equal. So rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This is equal to opposite side, and this side is equal to its opposite side. So its perimeter will be 2 into L plus B. Its perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Length and breadth sum cut twice. And its area is length into breadth. Area is what children? Length into breadth. If we talk about the square, let's see. It's a parallelogram whose all angles and all sides are equal. कैसा parallelogram है? Whose all angles and sides are equal. If it is side, then this will also be the side. Okay, side. So its perimeter is what? 4 into side. 4 into side, or 4 into S, or 4 into A, whatever the side is. And its area is side into side, like length into breadth, here side into side. So area is side into side, or we can write it as side ka square also. Clear? Now let's move to the next formula. For diagonal you can find it children. Okay, use the Pythagoras theorem and then you can find the diagonal formula also. Now the diagonal of a rectangle is square root of L square plus B square. Okay? Square root of L square plus B square. Like if you are having a rectangle, let me draw it like you are having a rectangle, and this is your diagonal. So what will be the length of diagonal? So it is a 90 degree children. In a rectangle all the angles are equal. All the angles are 90 degree. So it is 90 degree. This is L and this is breadth. So this is hypotenuse. So use the hypotenuse formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to legs ka square, this one plus this one. Perpendicular square plus base ka square. So perpendicular square plus base square is this. This is the diagonal. This is the hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse है diagonal यहाँ पर. So simple diagonal का square तो ये हो गया. So diagonal is equal to what? Diagonal is equal to square root of this. Okay. Next. After this you are having parallelogram. Parallelogram children, square is done. Then parallelogram. 2 in a quadrilateral if opposite sides are parallel. 2 pair of opposite sides are parallel. नहीं है ये. 2 pair of opposite sides are parallel. Then this is called as parallelogram. It is called as parallelogram. ठीक है, इसको कहते हैं parallelogram. Here the perimeter क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Perimeter वही होगा. देखो, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. तो अगर ये L है तो ये भी L है, ये breadth है तो ये भी breadth है, ऐसे. So ये भी वही हो जाएगा. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. 2 into sum of adjacent sides. इसको ऐसे बोला जाता है क्योंकि L into B नहीं बोला जाता इसको. ठीक है, इसको length into breadth नहीं बोला जाता. So now 2 into sum of adjacent sides. Sum of adjacent side करिए और उसका twice कर दीजिए. This is the perimeter of a parallelogram. Area is what? If it is base, this is not at all the height. ये height तो है नहीं, slanting है ये तो. So height you can take here like this. फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस वर्टेक्स, ये आपकी हाइट हो गई. सो एरिया इज इक्वल टू बेस इंटू हाइट. एरिया इज इक्वल टू बेस इंटू हाइट. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. ओके, देन आफ्टर दिस वी वर हैविंग, क्या है बेटा, आफ्टर दिस फॉर्मूला वी वर हैविंग रोम्बस. Rhombus, area of rhombus, area of rhombus. A parallelogram whose all sides are equal is a rhombus. A parallelogram, ये तो आपका parallelogram है, ठीक है. This is for parallelogram. And rhombus, rhombus area of rhombus is half of product of its diagonal, half of product of its diagonals. ठीक है, दिस इज एरिया. जो भी दो रोम्बस होंगे उनका प्रोडक्ट करिए एंड इट डिवाइडेड बाय 2. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस. देन आफ्टर दैट ट्राइंगल and then after triangle we were having circle. So next part is triangle. In triangle, children, half of base into height. If this is given, okay, and this is the height, this is called as base and this is called as height. So area of triangle is equal to half of base into height. Half of base into height. ठीक है. What if this is a right angle triangle? अगर ये right angle triangle हो गया तो, अगर ये right angle triangle हो गया तो ये क्या कहलाएगा? height, और ये क्या कहलाएगा? base. And actually में ये है क्या? legs है. These are legs. ये hypotenuse side हो गई 90 डिग्री एंगल की, ठीक है. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल की ये हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड है बेटा. दीज टू आर लेग्स. ये अगर हाइट है तो ये क्या हो गया? बेस. सो एरिया ऑफ राइट ट्रायंगल, एरिया ऑफ राइट ट्रायंगल इज व्हाट? हाफ ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स लेग्स. हाफ ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लेग्स. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स लेग्स. ये हो जाएगा एरिया ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, क्योंकि ये आपका हाइट हो गई और ये आपका बेस हो जाएगा. ठीक है. देन वी वर हैविंग, कम ऑन, यू कैन सी दिस चिल्ड्रन. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, आफ्टर दिस circle's formula is left. Circle formula is if you are having a circle, definitely it will have a center, and from the center to the arc the length is called as radius. So its circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. ठीक है. Where pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Whatever is given in the question, use that. Otherwise, use 22/7 or 3.14. It will not affect, children. So use pi value as 22/7. What is r? R is the radius. Sometimes the diameter is also represented as pi into d. Pi into d. And area, if you will talk about area is pi r square. Area is pi r square. Okay, pi and radius into radius. R square means radius into radius. So sometimes the circumference will be given to you, and the question will ask that what is the area of this circle. So if the circumference is given, like for example, circumference is given and it is 2 pi r. So put the value of circumference which is given to you. For example, it is 156. Then it is equal to 2 pi r. So can you find the radius? Yes, we can find the radius. If circumference is given, we can find the radius, because 2 pi will now be transposed to this side. This is 2 into pi. Pi is 22/7 where 7 will go and multiply in numerator. Okay, so in this way you can find the radius, and once you will find the radius, substitute the value in the area formula, pi r square. Only r is needed, children, so we can find by using the formula. So if the circumference is given, you can find the area, or if the area is given, you can find the circumference. Okay. Sometimes the question may ask for this width, this one, like a ring. If it is a ring and it is throughout, it is the width of the ring or the circular track is same. So we need a radius, inner circle radius, and we need outer circle radius. We need outer circle radius. पूरा, ठीक है? Outer circle radius. So this will be called as width of the circle. ये width of the track. ये क्या कहलाएगा बेटा? Width of the track. And this is what? This is from the outer radius. You will subtract the inner radius. You will get the width. कितनी उसकी चौड़ाई है ट्रैक की, या सर्कुलर जो भी लॉन है, या कुछ भी इस तरह का अगर कोई फील्ड है. So how you will get this width? By subtracting the outer radius length minus inner radius length. Okay. So ये questions भी हैं आपके पास. Sometimes we have to do fencing only. We have to do fencing. So we will find the not perimeter here, we will find the circumference. इसमें circumference कहा जाता है. And in square shape, in triangular shape, you have to find the rectangular shape, parallelogram shape, कुछ भी अगर और polygon shape figure आएगी तो उसमें आपको perimeter कहा जाएगा. Fencing करना. और अगर आपको you have to paint something, you have to paint the wall and all, then you have to find out the area. You have to find out the area. Okay. Some questions, some in this exercise 20A, 20B, 20C, that is full. Okay, that whole chapter, whole exercise will come. But in exercise 20D, only question number 9. Till question number 9 only, children. You have to do till question number 9. Exercise 20D. Then in exercise 20E, you have to do till question number 10. 9 के बाद 10. 20D में 10 तक. Question number 9 तक, 20D में 20E में question number 10. And then question exercise 20F question number 12. Till question number 12 you have to solve. Okay. And then try to solve some more questions, different questions. It is maybe it is solved, maybe it is unsolved, maybe it is test paper. So you can solve it if you are having that much time. And revise it thoroughly, children. So now what I will give you a link. Okay, I'm going to give you a link. In that link you will click on that link, and then you will solve that paper. You will solve that paper. Click on that particular link to solve the paper, and then what will be the I will get the response also. You will also see your marks, and then you come back again and then show me, tell me your answer. Okay, that ma'am, I got this much. Okay, so then I will see it simultaneously that okay, your name is this, you are from this branch, and your score is this. Am I clear to everyone? So at last I can show you the screen also if it is possible. Otherwise solve those questions. Near about 10 questions are there, children. So now I will send the link, and then what will happen? I will show you the paper also. If you are unable to see the link in the chat box, na, I am going to show you the paper also. See that paper and solve it quickly. Question number 1, this answer, this particular option and answer is correct. Question number 2, this particular option and this particular answer is correct. So you know it very well how to solve. So let's start it, children. I'm going to share the screen first. I will show you the paper first, and then I will send the link in the chat box window also. Okay, so let's see the screen. Okay, children, now you are able to see the screen. Whatever link I have posted, you will click on that, and then you can see this paper. Okay. So what you have to do in this, you have to write your name. Okay, Write down your name. Then next is your section. Then branch. And now this is the first question. Now see the first question. I hope you people are able to see it. Let me maximize it. So now see this first question and now solve it, children. Question number 1. See, in this ABCD is not given. So what you have to do? You have to write down the answer. Okay. And once you will click on, once you will open this form, children, you after submitting it, so you will get your answer. Okay. You are able to see how much you have scored. Come on, children. Do it fast. You have to find width of a rectangular sheet, isn't it? I know you people are doing. I want participation from all children, so do it, children. If done, then we can move to next question. Now see the next question. This is second question. Once you will click on link, you will get it automatically. You will get the question, you have to click on the particular answer, and then you have to write. You have to take the correct answer. Which figure encloses more area? A square is given, a rectangle is given, a triangle is given. So you have to basically find out the area, and conclusion is that which one is having more area. Now it will take time, obviously. Three areas you have to calculate. Now we can move to the next part, that is question number 3. Second is done. Now third question, children. This is the third question. You just solve it, and then when I will give the link, then you can just click it and see whether your answer is correct or not. So right now you just solve it, children. I am giving you time to solve it in your rough notebook, and then be ready with your answer. Once I will post the link in the chat box, what you have to do? You have to click on that and you have to fill this. Then automatically you will get your scores. Okay. If the area of triangle is 36 centimeter square, it is, children, it is not 2, it is square. Okay, this is 3 centimeter square, children, and the height in 3 centimeter. So the base will be, what will be the base of triangle? This you have to write, this you have to click once you will get the form. I hope you all have done. Next question, question number 4. Area of a triangle whose base is 15 centimeter and corresponding altitude is 6 centimeter will be. What will be the area, children? Straightforward question. You have to apply the formula. Values are given. Just substitute the values in the given formula and then you are able to find it. Question number 4, children. I hope you all have done. Now what we will do? We will move to the fifth question. Okay. Fourth is done, I think. So now just move to the fifth question. See this. The difference between circumference and radius of a circle is 37 centimeter. What is the area of circle? The difference between circumference and radius of a circle is 37 centimeter. So what will be the area? You have to apply the logic, children. What is given, try to frame it, and then I know you people are able to do it. So try it, children. Fifth question answer. Is it 111? Is it 184? 154 or 259? What is the answer? If done, can we move, children? Can we move to the next question? Till 5 we have done. Total 10 questions are there. Okay. Now, sixth question. See this. If the perimeter of a semicircular protector is 36 centimeter, find the diameter. Perimeter of a semicircular protector is given. You have to find the diameter. Sixth question. Do it fast, children. The answer will be in centimeter. 14 centimeter, 16, 18, 12 centimeter, whatever. You have to write it that what is the sixth question answer, and once I will post the link of this particular question paper, revision paper you can say, then you will fill it appropriately, and then your response will be seen to me that what you people are doing. Okay. Now, if done, then we will move to the next question. Do it, children. Question number 6. It's different, but it's easy. Okay. Now next question is question number 7. See, this type of question is there in your book. A wire is in the shape of a square. A wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle, children, so length is 12 centimeter. But what will be the breadth? This you have to find. So whatever is given, just do it. Take the values from that input and then use it to find the unknown value. Answer of 7th question. Is it 12 or 7 or 8 or 9? All will be in centimeter, I know. Only values are written. It's wrong, children. We have to write centimeter everywhere, but I missed it. So next time we'll take care of this. You just see the values.
If done, then let's move to next question. Now see. We have to minimize this a little bit. Okay, see question number 8. Now it's fitted here. Find the area of shaded region in the adjacent figure. Find the area of shaded region in the adjacent figure. Take pi is equal to 3.14. If you are able to see that two figures are there and you have to find the area of shaded portion, children. So for circle, radius is not given. Let's see the given things and try to find the radius also. Then only you are able to find the area of shaded region. Okay. Come on, do it fast. It will take time, children. That's why I am waiting. Question number 8 will take time. Do it. I am waiting, children. This question is long, I know. So I am waiting here. I know you people are doing. Do it fast. You've done. Can we move? Come on. Okay, children. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. I hope enough time I have given. So now let's move. Okay. See the next question. Question number 9. The area of a square and a rectangle are equal if the side of the square is 40 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. Find the length of rectangle. Just see what is given in the question, fit those values and then find the unknown. Is done, children? Come on. So now, if you know, children, then your answer is coming right now, isn't it? Okay. So people are taking time. Next is, children, one more question is left. So we can do that. Can we do that? Can we move? Okay. Now let's see the last question. The area of a circle. Find the area of a circle whose circumference is 52.8 centimeter. Find the area of circle, children. It's easy, I know. Do it fast. 10th question is easy. And now just do it, children, and I will post the link right now in the chat box. I am going to post the link in the chat box. Okay, I hope you people have solved it. If not, then you can scroll it back and then see that question to solve it. After solving, just see that link and then click on the link to open the form. Okay, open this revision paper and then just click the correct answer and submit it. Once you will submit, you are able to see how much you have scored. Okay, children. So now already you can see the link. Again and again I will paste it, and then just go in on that link. My period is over. So now just open that link to solve the paper. Okay, and see your response. All the best, children. Click on the link which is given in the chat box and submit your response to see your score. Okay, all the best, children, for that. So now I am closing it. Okay.